This brake pad came off of my Volvo. It's no longer a brake pad. This thing is straight metal. This is my 2000 Volvo V70 R. And if you can't already tell, this isn't a regular old brake job. These are Brembo brakes. Let's start on the rear end of the car so we can see how my brakes started looking like this. Tire is now off. You're gonna see two holes, one there and one there. We need a punching tool to drive that hole because in there we can see this. So basically we need to punch that all the way out. Then this spring piece will come out and we'll be able to pull the brake pads out one by one. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Once the spring comes out, everything's at least easier. Just like that. Super easily. This brake pad actually has a good amount of life, but this one's super low. We will grab our new brake pads. Like that's how thick this one is, and this one is almost down to metal. We'll slap these bad boys in. Then we'll grab our other new one. Put these back through. Take this piece. We'll grab the other one. Before we go into the other side actually, let's go ahead and put our tire back on. Let's go jack up the other side. Tire's jacked up. Now let's crack these puppies loose. That did not feel good. This one, plenty of life left on it. This one, on the other hand, yikes. That's not a good sign. Brembo. Just go ahead and get both of these started. So now we gotta punch these puppies back in. Now we gotta get this tire back on. Let's start working on the front brakes. Let's take a look. See, these ones aren't too bad. Now this is the side I'm really worried about. Still not too shabby. Pretty impressed. I mean, they are definitely worn down, especially compared to the new ones. Let's get these new brakes in. If it's not already obvious, well, the rear brakes on my V70R are stock, but the front brakes are definitely not stock. Now for the fun part. Getting this clip in can kind of almost make you want to shoot it across the room. And you know what? That was surprisingly easy. Before we get to the other side, I know why you're all here, to hear me torque these bad boys down. On to the other side. Let's pop this bad boy off. There we go. This side was pretty low, let's be honest. Wow, it's got more life than the first side we looked at. Let's clean these puppies off. All right, let's go ahead and get this clip back in. Hopefully, I don't lose my fingers. And just like that. All right, let's torque these puppies down. All right, that is way better than what was already on here. Well, I definitely waited too long on those brakes, and don't do that. It's not very good for the whole braking setup. Next video is a big one. We are taking my engine swap golf cart out for a rip. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Here's a little teaser. Okay, let's freaking grip and rip, baby! Ah! First kick, baby, first kick. Oh.